Hey everybody, working on the Camaro again. Lots to do. I got the heads back on, bolts are torqued down, everything's good to go right there. I have everything torn apart. I'm going to try to clean it up before I get too crazy with it. But I need to drain the oil, get the intake manifold on. I'm going to try to reuse this intake gasket and just do some new RTV right there and do all that. I need to get the rocker arms on there and get them tightened down. It's on top dead center right now, so we're good to go there. So yeah, I'm gonna start to get all that set up, and I don't know, maybe we can spin it over today. Alright, rocker arms are just loosely installed. I haven't tightened anything down yet. I want to clean up some of this wiring really quick, and then I'm going to get on the intake manifold, throw that distributor in there so it's set on top dead center, and then start to tighten all these down, and we'll get the valve train good. Intake is on. Hopefully that all seals right. I laid a pretty thick bead on there, so should be good. Let me get that distributor down in there. I got some of these wires organized a little bit better. I have to run power ground back to the battery in the rear. I'm trying to separate the power and ground wires, or the power signals with the distributor signal wires on this EFI system to try to clean up the signals. I think that was partly my problem with it dying at idle. I think the ground signals and the signal wires from the distributor were all messing with each other. But I am going to get that distributor in, and then I'll start to tighten down those rockers. Alright, rocker arms are all on, and they're all, there we go. They're all torqued down right. Went through the hole, set up to get them just right, so they should be good. I think I might actually hook up the compression tester and just crank the engine over for a second and see if maybe these two cylinders that were acting kind of funny are back to normal now. So I'm going to go hook that up, and we'll see what the results are. Alright, getting ready to drain this oil. I'm having some water drip out of there now, I think. So it's going to be curious how the heck this is going to look. There we go, it comes off on the first try. Longest oil drain bolt in the world, anybody? Ready? Here we go. Yeah, there's some water in the bottom there, but not horrible. Pretty thinned out, but not the worst. Not too much stuff on there. Just a little bit of super fine stuff on the end of this drain bolt. Nothing I'm too worried about right now. We'll see if any chunks fall out of there, but yeah, I don't know. It's not milky or anything. There's a little bit of water in there, but could have been from a lot of things. I had the headers off for a minute there, and they were full of water when I pulled them off, so it could have dropped down into the oil pan and could have just been sitting there. But overall, this isn't looking too bad. But I got some new oil I'm going to be putting in there, so yep. Alright, cool. Alright, new oil's in, and I am about to crank her over and see what this compression test does. See if it got any better with this new head gasket and intake manifold, everything. So here we go. Alright. Let's see here. Okay. A little bit better. about 130-ish, but that's throttle blades closed. Everything's fresh, brand new, so yeah, I'm pretty happy with that. Hopefully there's no water getting through or anything, but that's something we can find out later, so. Alright, yeah, I'm going to try to button this up and head inside. Alright, thanks for watching again, everybody. Yeah, like I was saying, next time I'm going to be finishing up this wiring, getting the valve covers right, and wrapping it up, and maybe we'll try to crank this thing over. But I still got to get a belt figured out, so maybe not. We'll see. Alright, but yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Later.